Assalamu alaikum. Hi friends. How is everyone doing today? Today we will be making dahi wale baigan or baigan ka raita. You can say that. It's an eggplant in the yogurt sauce. Okay. Let's go see all the ingredients what we need to make it. Okay. Of course, to make yogurt sauce, we have some yogurt over here and some curry leaves, bunch of them. I have some masalas over here, some crushed garlic, some salt, and some coriander powder, 1 spoon, cumin powder, 1 spoon, and turmeric, half a spoon, and red pepper, 1 spoon. I have a couple of green peppers. Okay, and this is the eggplants. We picked it up from our garden, and I have one small one to show you how I cut it. I cut it very small pieces like this. To fry them is gonna be easily fries. Okay. So let's cut this one. Just gonna so tender because we just picked it up small ones from the garden. So look, there's no seeds in there. So we'll just cut it like this, and we slice like this, small pieces. Okay. See, you can. I cut it on the cutting board a little while ago. I don't have the room to put it over here cutting board, so just showing it to you like this. Okay, we'll cut like this all the things, and we're going to drain all the water. Then we're going to go fry eggplants, pan fry them. Okay, not deep fry them. You can even deep fry, but I prefer pan fried. Okay, we left the eggplant in the water with a little bit of salt so it don't get black. Okay. And with the yogurt, we are going to whisk this yogurt with the whisker and make it smoother. Okay, let's go start cooking them. Okay friends, our pan is hot. I'll put some oil. We need a little bit more oil to fry eggplants. It will absorb a lot of oil. Okay, our oil is hot. We're going to put a couple of red pepper and some cumin seeds. Fry that for 2 seconds. I'm going to add some garlic. Curry leaves, and we can add all this eggplant. If you don't eat garlic, you don't have to add garlic, because a lot of people they don't eat garlic and onions. So I think it's a religious preference or something. So you don't have to put the garlic if you don't want it, but it gives a real good flavor in there once it's done. Okay, we're gonna cook until it gets golden brown. Then we'll come back. Okay friends, our eggplant is almost done. They're soft. They're breaking. So we're going to add all these masalas. It's up to you how much pepper you want to put it. If you don't eat spicy, don't put it. Okay. So we have some salt and pepper, coriander powder, and cumin powder. We're going to fry this a little bit. All these things for a few minutes. You can even eat like this with a hot rice or maybe roti. Tastes good. See, there's no oil. I did not put too much oil in there. It's just so dry. They soak a lot of oil, but a lot of people deep fry this dish, but I don't deep fry. You can even add small potatoes. You can cut the potatoes just like about the same size of that. You can fry the potatoes separately and add it together. That's also good if you want to eat potatoes. Okay friends, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and press that bell icon. Whenever you press the bell icon, whenever I upload new videos, you're gonna get the notification. So you're gonna get a chance to watch my videos first. And nothing is not gonna cost you anything. Okay, we're almost done. See? This is all done. So we're going to add this into the yogurt. We'll go ahead and add this to the yogurt. Okay, I'm going to turn the stove off. We're going to go add this to the yogurt. I'm going to just let it cool on a little bit before I add to the yogurt. Okay. Okay friends, our eggplant is cold, so we can add it in there. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay. Mix them. Okay friends, our eggplant raita is ready. This looks so yummy. You can eat with the pulka, roti, paratha, whatever you want to eat with it. I can enjoy your eggplant raita. Dahi wale baigan, baigan ka raita. Okay, we'll see you in next video. Bye. Have a good day.